Welcome to another episode of Luxo-Life, your partner in life. In today's episode, we are going to start smart. 6 best Roth IRA accounts for first-time investors. By watching this video, you'll discover which Roth IRA accounts are the best fit for your unique needs and financial goals. Stay tuned until the end to explore all 6 options. Who knows, you might even want to take advantage of more than one. Show Luxo-Life some love and let's get started. Why opening a Roth IRA is important. Let's start by knowing the basics of why opening a Roth IRA is a smart financial decision. A Roth IRA is a type of retirement account that offers unique tax advantages, making it especially appealing for those looking to invest in their future. By contributing to a Roth IRA, you can grow your money over time without worrying about paying taxes on the earnings when you retire. This can make a huge difference in the long run, especially if you start investing early. What makes a Roth IRA stand out is its ability to let your investments grow tax-free. Unlike other retirement accounts where you might owe taxes on withdrawals, with a Roth IRA, your contributions grow, and when you retire, you can take the money out without paying taxes on it. This means more money in your pocket when you need it most, during your retirement years. Additionally, there are no required minimum distributions, giving you more flexibility in how you manage your savings. Another great benefit of a Roth IRA is that it encourages early investing. The earlier you start, the longer your money has to grow, thanks to compound interest. Over the years, even small, regular contributions can turn into a substantial amount, giving you financial security in retirement. The combination of tax-free growth and the ability to withdraw money without penalty makes the Roth IRA a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. Charles Schwab, best for hands-on. The first best Roth IRA account for first-time investors is Charles Schwab, especially for those who prefer a hands-on approach to managing their investments. Charles Schwab stands out because it offers a flexible combination of online tools and in-person services, making it easy to get the support you need whether you prefer to manage your account from home or speak with a financial advisor directly. This level of access is a great benefit, as you can choose how involved you want to be in managing your Roth IRA. One of the biggest advantages of Charles Schwab is that it charges no commissions on online equity trades. This means you can buy and sell stocks, exchange-traded funds or ETFs, and other investments without worrying about extra fees eating into your returns. Charles Schwab also doesn't require a minimum deposit to open a Roth IRA, making it accessible for those who are just starting out and may not have a lot of money to invest right away. In addition to its affordability, Charles Schwab provides access to a wide range of investment options, including ETFs, mutual funds, and individual stocks. This gives you the freedom to diversify your portfolio and tailor it to your specific financial goals. Charles Schwab also has physical locations across the country, so if you ever feel the need to sit down and talk to a financial advisor, you have that option. With no commissions, no minimum deposit, and the ability to get personal advice, Charles Schwab offers a lot of value to first-time investors looking to take control of their retirement savings. Betterment, best for hands-off. Next is Betterment, which is an excellent choice for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. Betterment is known for its robo-advisor service, which automates the investment process and takes care of your portfolio for you. This makes it a great option for investors who don't want to spend a lot of time managing their accounts or making frequent trades. The beauty of Betterment lies in its simplicity and low fees. The platform charges a small management fee of just 0.25% per year, which is much lower than the fees charged by traditional financial advisors. This low cost allows you to keep more of your investment returns, making it an affordable choice for those looking to build their savings over time without high expenses eating into their profits. Betterment's automated portfolio management means that you don't have to worry about selecting individual investments or adjusting your portfolio as market conditions change. Instead, Betterment uses sophisticated algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. This hands-off approach ensures that your investments are always working in your best interest. With its robo-advisor service, low fees, and automated management, Betterment makes it easy to invest without needing to actively manage your portfolio. It's a practical choice for those who want to set their investment goals and let the platform handle the rest. M1 Finance, best hybrid. For those who want a hybrid option, M1 Finance is an excellent choice. It combines elements of both hands-on and hands-off investing, making it a flexible platform for various investment styles. If you're not sure whether you want to be actively involved in managing your investments or prefer a more automated approach, M1 Finance offers a bit of both worlds. One of the standout features of M1 Finance is its investment pies. This unique approach allows you to create your own custom portfolio, much like designing a personalized mutual fund or ETF. You can choose from a variety of individual stocks and ETFs to build your perfect pie. Think of it like crafting your favorite pizza, where you get to decide on the toppings. Whether you want a mix of Tesla stocks and Vanguard ETFs or any other combination, you have the flexibility to design a portfolio that fits your preferences. If creating your own investment pie sounds like too much work, M1 Finance has you covered with pre-made expert pies. These pies are designed by financial professionals and are ready for you to invest in. You can select from different expert pies based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. And if you prefer to diversify, you can spread your investments across multiple expert pies to build a more balanced portfolio. Getting started with M1 Finance is also straightforward. To open a Roth IRA, you need an initial deposit of $500. After that, you can add as little as $10 to your account, so you don't need to constantly invest large sums. This lower barrier to entry makes it easy to start and manage your investments according to your own preferences and financial goals. Fundrise, best for real estate. Real estate is known to us as a good option for investment. With that said, Fundrise is an excellent choice for those interested in real estate investments. Fundrise stands out because it uses a crowdfunding platform to pool together money from multiple investors to purchase properties. This approach opens up opportunities for individuals to invest in real estate without needing a large amount of capital. Fundrise allows you to invest in a variety of real estate projects, such as residential and commercial properties, through its platform. By joining with other investors, you can gain access to high-quality real estate deals that might otherwise be out of reach. This collective investment model helps spread the risk and provides a more accessible way to get involved in real estate. One of the advantages of Fundrise is its transparency. The platform gives you the ability to see the properties you're investing in and provides updates on their performance. This level of visibility helps you understand where your money is going and how it's being managed. Although Fundrise does have a higher annual fee compared to some other investment options, many find the potential returns and the chance to invest in real estate worth the cost. Fundrise's crowdfunding model makes real estate more accessible, and its transparent approach helps you stay informed about your investments. If you're interested in adding real estate to your portfolio, Fundrise offers a convenient and effective way to do so. Robinhood, best for match. For our fifth pick, it's Robinhood. You're right, Robinhood is not just Batman's partner, it's also a standout option for those looking for a Roth IRA with a contribution match. What sets Robinhood apart is its offer of a 1% match on Roth IRA contributions. This feature makes it particularly attractive for investors who want to get a little extra boost on their savings. The 1% match means that for every dollar you contribute to your Roth IRA, Robinhood adds an additional 1% on top. This can make a significant difference over time as the match adds to your overall investment returns. It's a great incentive that helps your money grow faster, providing an added benefit on top of the usual tax advantages of a Roth IRA. In addition to the contribution match, Robinhood offers a straightforward and user-friendly platform for managing your Roth IRA. The service is known for its no-commission trades and easy-to-use app, which makes investing simple and accessible. This can be especially appealing if you prefer a streamlined approach to managing your investments. Robinhood's 1% match on Roth IRA contributions provides an extra edge, making it a great option for those looking to maximize their savings. If a contribution match is a priority for you, Robinhood offers a valuable way to enhance your retirement savings. Vanguard, best for passive investors. Lastly, if you like it passive, there's Vanguard that will guard your investments with its low-cost, long-term strategies. Vanguard is well regarded for its focus on passive investing, making it a great choice for those who prefer a more hands-off approach. If you're looking to invest without constantly monitoring the market, Vanguard's approach might be just what you need. Vanguard specializes in offering a variety of low-cost ETFs or exchange-traded funds, which are ideal for long-term investing. These ETFs are designed to track market indexes rather than trying to beat them, which means they typically come with lower fees compared to actively managed funds. This low-cost structure helps investors keep more of the returns over time, making Vanguard a smart choice for those who want to grow their wealth steadily. One of the key benefits of investing with Vanguard is the simplicity it offers. By focusing on ETFs that track broad market indexes, Vanguard provides a straightforward way to invest in a diversified portfolio. This strategy allows you to benefit from overall market growth without having to pick individual stocks or make frequent trades. It's a hassle-free way to invest that suits those who prefer a more passive approach. Vanguard is an excellent option for passive investors who want to invest in a cost-effective and long-term manner. With its focus on low-cost ETFs and a straightforward investment approach, Vanguard helps you stay on track for your financial goals without needing to actively manage your portfolio. And that's how you can start smart with your Roth IRA journey. If you enjoyed discovering the 6 best Roth IRA accounts for beginners, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which IRA you've tried or are excited to explore. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might find it helpful. If you're new to Luxo-Life, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, Luxo lovers!